Yeah, hi Vidya and
Hi.
hi ma'am. Hi again, Aparna. Okay, congratulations on your first talk. Vidya, some talk about the money. Okay, I want to know that how are you associated with Shobhitam? Do you know Aparna personally? Are you a fan of the saris or you are an investor in the brand?
No.
We don't know each other personally, but like I said, she not just epitomizes the grace of the sari, but connects with the cause of handlooms, weavers, and authentic silk, which is why we saw a lot of shared synergies.
Yeah, and what's your take?
Yeah, we won't get into the monetary aspect of it.
No, I'm not talking about the
Yeah.
monetary. Like it's a passion for
No,
saris
no,
or you're
that
invested.
is that one. There is a passion for saris, but like I said a little while ago, I found that Shobhitam, as a brand, has so much to offer. Firstly, weaves from across the country under one umbrella.
Yeah.
Then it also makes it very accessible and at affordable prices.
Yeah.
And they're what was that word you used? Unichannel? No, omni-channel. Omni-channel. So I think they're keeping up with the times, and that's why I think um, they're they have customers from across the country, and just recently, you all have, I should say, we have gotten 10,000 five-star reviews. So
Yes,
I
that's
think
congrats.
it's
Yeah.
that's
That's
really
nice.
testimony to how. So I think they inspired that in me. For years I would get endorsement opportunities from various sari brands, but here I felt a certain synergy, which is why I'm Shobhitam brand ambassador.
Yeah, okay. Ma'am, you've been a lover of saris. Everybody has already spoken about it. What makes you pick Shobhitam? What is the USP? If I
Like I said, all the things that I just said.
Authenticity.
Yeah.
Authenticity. Because when we call a sari a Kanjipuram, it is a Kanjipuram made in Kanjipuram, not anywhere else in India,
Okay,
which is happening a lot these
Yeah.
days.
okay, ma'am. Personally, your relationship with money. What is money to you?
I love money. Bring me more. So I hope Shobhitam grows manifold, and that also means I get.
And you can buy more saris.
No, jokes apart. Huh? Yeah. It is a sari revolution, genuinely.
Okay, now do you invest
Yeah, of course I do.
or
I invest my money.
and
I
where?
have
What
a
stocks,
financial
mutual
coach,
fund?
mutual funds, equity, everything.
Okay,
Debt,
okay, and
equity.
okay. Last question. If you were given, say, 20 lakh rupees, how many Shobhitam saris would you buy?
I'm in such a privileged
like it. I know.
position. I don't need to buy Shobhitam. I can point to it and say, Aparna, I like that one.
Oh,
But I would probably invest that money in Shobhitam.
oh, wow. Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
because I think that is what Shilpa Shetty also did with Mama Earth. So, are you looking forward to if they suppose go public somewhere in future?
Absolutely.
Would you invest?
Oh, absolutely.
Because
So when are you going public?
But I want to talk about your brand. What inspired you?
So Shobhitam was purely started out of passion for fashion. No business background, no fashion training, but since a very young age, always had this love for creating clothes. And for all our events, we would make our own clothes. When I say we, it's my sister and I who started Shobhitam, and that was Genesis.
Okay.
We got married, moved to the US, but like they say, you take an Indian out of India, you can't take Indianness out of one.
Yeah.
So I loved, being connected to my homeland through decor, through Indian fabrics. So I was still designing, creating. And I think it just got to a point where we said, how much are we going to hold for ourselves? So we said, let's start this as a business, see where it takes us. So we started off on a marketplace platform. It took off really, really well. We got our first order from France.
Okay.
And since then, there's been no looking back. We've shipped to more than 46 countries and received the love of tens of thousands of customers.
Okay. This is as I can see, it's a sari brand. You have all kinds of saris. So why and what is your emphasis on? Which is your favorite out of it? Of course, it's like tough to ask which is your favorite child, and how much investment was it? Which you started with? How much money in your pocket? Because that is important for new founders and new people who want to start.
Sure. So first part, I think the unique thing about us is we really represent the length and breadth of India. So we never said we're going to restrict ourselves to a particular cluster or a weave. My favorite weave is the Jugalbandis, all the Shobhatam exclusive Jugalbandis when we fuse two different art forms. Like, for example, we fuse a chicken curry with a kanjivaram. We mix the north and the south to give something very unparalleled, something for the global woman to wear that is as distinct as her. Talking about investment, we started off with barely $1,000. We started off in the US, which was like 88,000 rupees. But
Okay.
completely bootstrapped, for the first few years. And it was all organic. So, if you have the will, you have the passion, you don't really need a lot of money. It'll all come, it'll all fall in place.
Okay, right. Wow. Okay. And what is your because what happens is many people start, but what happens is orders are less, or you get a couple of orders in a month or something. What would you like to tell a founder who's starting? And it's not only something related to women, but any industry. What would you tell them?
Okay. So if you want more orders, it's basically you have to provide value, right? When do people order more from you? When they see value in what you're offering. So you have, so what we do is we have these pillars: best selection. When we say best selection, they're very authentic. We don't call a Kanjivaram or a Banarsi unless it is a Banarsi or a Kanjivaram.
Okay.
All our saris, silk saris, are silk mark certified. So you can be assured that it's pure silk. We have a very, very high quality bar. Every sari is triple quality checked. And then every sari is ready to wear. So falls, pico, tassels are done.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about, taking care of that. We give the complete ensemble and fast free shipping. So I think those have been the pillars,
So
where the
value,
customers
yeah.
have found value in us.
Value and quality. Okay, this is the first store which you're opening. Many congrats for that.
Thank you.
Now, what is your vision? Like as you said, it's a combination of north, south, and so I'm assuming that you also want to go north, east, west, and all that. So this is your first store. So what is the vision? Where would you want to open your second, third, stores?
Absolutely. So we've been completely e-commerce, right? All D2C. Then we said, this is such a product which, has so much sensory value to it. So we said we'll have this experience store where people can feel, see, touch these. So it's we want to give them a very immersive experience. And, for people to really see, how the products really look like, feel like. And of course, we want to expand. The story is, a lot of our customers who bought it, outside India, they wanted their families back home to get the Shobhatam experience, which is why we have this. And we do want to expand. There have been other partners too, where our products are right now. For example, with ABFRL and Reliance. So you will find our products in Khan Market. You'll find them in Jubilee Hills. You will find them in PRK Heritage. So yes. So the goal is to expand and do that.
Okay, if I want to ask you, because you're, I think you're taking it directly from the artisans and all. So what is the profit margin which you have?
Okay, so here is the thing. A lot of, if you look at the industry, the weavers get very less wages, right? Because they don't get to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So where we are is we've completely eliminated all the middle people. So for us, it's weavers first, customers first. And we want to provide them fair wages. So it's not always about the cost, but making sure that everybody's happy at the end of the day. So yeah, that essentially has been our value.
Okay. And what is the feedback which you've got from people who are already buyers of your saris and all? What has
They
been
absolutely
their...
love us because for two reasons. We've got more than 10,000 plus 5-star reviews. So much so that our app, we have to keep increasing the threshold of our app to get there. And second, we have a very high repeat rate, customer repeat rate. So those two tell us that, our customers are happy.
Okay. Okay, I want to ask about Vidya Balan Association. How is she associated with the brand? Is she an investor? Is she financially involved, or she just loves your saris?
Oh, two things about her. I think there's no other global icon who connects with the North South and has a presence around the world like Vidya. And like she says, she can even fly in a sari. So she's not just a person who will look beautiful in a sari, but she really embodies the grace of the sari. And Shobhatam means grace. The other thing is, at Shobhatam, we also stand for the cause of women. We stand for the cause of weavers, for the cause of handlooms. She is the brand ambassador for Silk Mark Organization of India,
Oh,
and all are silk
yeah.
sarees. So there were a lot of shared synergies. So she thought she was the perfect choice.
Okay. Do you know her? How did you
No,
meet her?
no,
Where did you
no,
meet her?
no. I didn't know her before this, but when I first met her, I was like, wow, she's such a nice
Yeah,
person,
yeah,
and
yeah.
there's
She's
no other
graceful and all.
person
Yeah, yeah.
who can be a
Saris
better
is a,
brand
yeah,
ambassador
yeah.
for this. So yeah, totally love that it happened. I'm
Okay.
so happy that she's here today to launch us too.
Okay. Okay. All the best for your
Thank
first store. I hope we meet soon for your 10th, 11th, okay, 20th store. Okay. All the best.
Thank
All the
you, thank you,
best.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yeah.